JEE Main 2025, 23rd January chemistry morning shift. First question. This is propanol. Here 2 alpha hydrogens are there, and it is formaldehyde OH minus. So 2 alpha hydrogens means 2 times it can undergo aldol condensation. So both places CH2H is coming. And next, when no alpha hydrogen is there, it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction and turns into alcohol. This part will be converted to third molecule will be converted to acid. So out of 3 moles, 2 moles for aldol and 1 mole for Cannizzaro reaction used formaldehyde. One interesting question, good question. Incorrect statement is SO2 acts as oxidant but not reducing agent. It's a wrong statement because sulfur oxidation state is +4 here. When +4 oxidation state is there, intermediate, because it can go up to +6 up to -2 also. Intermediate oxidation states function like oxidizing agents as well as reducing agents. So this is incorrect. NO2 dimer right N2O4 when you are cooling this. PFI exists but NFI not because no vacant d orbitals. This is also right statement. pH has lower proton affinity than NH3 because of electronegativity. See here, first step is bromine adding, methyl decides. So to methyl you are adding at para position. Then TnHCl, NO2 group will be converted to NH2, reduction. Then NaNO2HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, diazonium chloride converted, reduction. So you will be removing this and you are getting here hydrogen, and he is asking what is the molecular weight of the product. So it is 161. You see, yesterday also there were questions based on this. So the benzene diazonium chloride repeatedly coming. Matching this is the easiest question of thermodynamics. Delta V is equal to 0 means delta W is equal to 0. Pressure is constant, isobaric, no heat is exchanged. Delta Q is equal to 0. Work done by the gas is equal to heat given by the system is isothermal. Direct matching, easy question. This is interesting based on delta G is equal to minus NFE not cell concept. See, FeO4 minus 2 converted to Fe plus 3, then Fe plus 2. Here number of electrons involved are 3. Here 1 electron is involved. So in such kind of cases, and he is asking what is the change for this. So for 3 electrons means 3 into, for this change 3 into 3 electrons into 2 volts. So this will be 6 volts, and here only 1 electron, so you take as it is. So total change is 6.8, but number of electrons involved are 4, so 6.8 by 4. You are using the concept of delta G is equal to delta G1 plus delta G2, or you can say NF E naught cell is equal to NF E naught cell NF plus NF E naught cell. That means number of electrons plays important role. The shortcut I am saying, just multiply with the number of electrons involved, add them, then total number of electrons involved how many, just divide with that. KDS method formula, sulfur purpose, weight of barium sulfate produced by weight of organic compound into 32 by 233 into 100. Yesterday's question I was saying, instead of saying AgCl, I said AgNO3. When I was listening to my class, I understood. This is again easy question, formula based. You learn all these formulae. Qualitative analysis, organic chemistry. Qualitative, quantitative, organic chemistry. This is again one easy question. Delta G is asking delta H minus T delta S. 55 kilojoules, 175 joules is asking in joules. Direct formula, you will be getting this answer. Which reacts with the Hinsberg reagent? Hinsberg reagent means benzene sulfonyl chloride. With this, primary and secondary amines will react, not tertiary. So here this is primary, secondary, this is tertiary, so it won't react. Easy question. 2 grams of phenol with how many grams of bromine will give you 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So phenol when reacts with 3Br2, it forms 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Phenol means molecular mass is 94. 94 grams required 3Br2, 3 into 160 grams. Each Br 80, 160 grams. So 2 grams requires how much? 10.2. So you can round off to 10, I think. Most stable carbon ion is, this is aromatic, most stable. No doubt in this one. After that, if you want to check, this is next. Okay, this kind of resonance is possible. This is primary, this is again primary with a 3-member ring here. So our question is about stability, so we can go with that. Fructose gives tolerance test. Yes, fructose, maltose, glucose, all will give you tolerance test because of some rearrangement. When reacted with base, fructose rearranges to produce CHO group. This is not the right statement. Okay, now there will be some rearrangement will be there. All molecules will be converted from one to another. Fact isomerism, Ma3B3 type, easiest question of this paper, direct formula. Which element is not in same period? Okay, now palladium and platinum. Palladium is above, platinum is below. Okay, now nickel, palladium, platinum, nickel in 4th period, so this is in 5th period, this is in 6th period. Osmium, iridium, platinum all belong to 6th, and so this is 5th. Which are same colored? This is kind of memory based, but you can remember Fe plus 2 is green, Mn plus 3 is violet. Both these are blue. Titanium plus 4, no color, no unpaired electrons. Vanadium plus 3 is green. Chromium plus 3 is violet. And nickel plus 2 is green. Not so easy. You need to remember. But chromium and copper we can remember, I think. So these are the questions we have taken from Physics Wala as well as some other coaching centers. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will update the remaining questions soon.